If your cat bites you, it's essential to respond appropriately to prevent injury and address any underlying issues that may have led to the bite. Here are the steps to take when your cat bites you. Stay calm. It's natural to feel startled or upset when your cat bites, but try to remain calm. Sudden movements or loud reactions can escalate the situation. Assess the injury. Examine the bite wound. Cat bites can be sharp and may not initially appear serious, but they can lead to infections due to the bacteria in a cat's mouth. Wash the wound. If the bite has broken the skin, wash the wound thoroughly with soap and warm water to reduce the risk of infection. You may want to use an antiseptic solution as well. Control bleeding. If the wound is bleeding, apply gentle pressure with a clean cloth or tissue to stop the bleeding. Seek medical attention. If the bite is deep, puncture wounds, or there are signs of infection, redness, swelling, discharge, you should seek medical attention promptly. A doctor may prescribe antibiotics or recommend a tetanus shot if necessary. Contact a veterinarian. If your cat's biting behavior is sudden or severe, consult with a veterinarian. It's essential to rule out any underlying health issues or behavioral problems that may be causing the aggression. Identify the cause. Try to understand why your cat bit you. It could be due to fear, pain, territorial aggression, or other stressors. Identifying the cause will help prevent future incidents. Behavior modification. If your cat's biting behavior is a recurring issue, consult with a professional animal behaviorist or trainer for guidance on modifying the behavior. Safety measures. While working on behavior modification, take safety precautions such as wearing gloves and long sleeves when handling your cat. Use toys or treats to redirect their aggression in a more appropriate way. Give space. If your cat is agitated or upset, give them space and time to calm down. Avoid further interactions until the cat is relaxed. Remember that punishing your cat for biting is not effective and can make the behavior worse. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more beautiful animal videos.